They gonna send me a different order every now and then keep sending me the same order? Really? Really? So this is it. This is the end of DoorDash right here. Do this order or that's it. You get nothing else forever. I guess so, cause look. I guess fucking so. They ain't even raised that mug by a quarter or nothing. What is up with my algorithm, guys? I don't know. Junebug say in the dash. In the dash. Collect my $8. Do not pass go. Let's see. In dash. Bow. That's crazy. They probably still gonna send me the order. That's crazy. Damn. Ashton the Blunt. Rosina. Maddie Fisher. Bung Ho Paradise. That's crazy. Nicholas. Dan. Carl Young. Deanna. Dab. Jatara. Vishal. Junebug. Homebound. What's the word? Tristan. Rashad. What's going on? That it didn't work. It didn't work, guys. They keep sending me the order. It didn't work. Motherfucking Muhammad. This is crazy. This is crazy. Y'all think I'm the only one they sending this order to? Finally, something else. Shit. Let me let this one time out. So maybe somebody else get that damn Chick-fil-A order. That's some crazy shit. That's some crazy shit, man. I can't do that. Oh, let me sit y'all right here for a second. Just like that. I wonder if I can clip this to my hat. Let's see. Yeah, that might work. Mic check 1 2 1 2. And y'all raggedy ass still hear me? If you can still hear me, drop a 1 in the chat right now. And if you raggedy, drop a 2 in the chat. And if you can hear me and you raggedy, drop a 3 in the chat right now. I'm about opportunity. Opportunity is always knocking. Someone in DoorDash corporate is watching. Good shit. Let's do a partnership so I can help sign up some more platinum dashers to take these $2 orders. If you're watching, you see I got 130 people. I can get more shit. Go ahead and shoot me one of them good old DoorDash checks so we can get these damn dummies signed up. When is the scooter coming? It's on the way. Oh, now they're going to send me this order back to back. We have made $8 for the first hour. Damn, now they sending me this one back to back. Damn. Now they sending me this order back to back. That's crazy. We just getting back to back the same order. But you know what I'm noticing though? Maybe this order is not, maybe it's not affecting my acceptance rate. Oh. That's why we dumb. Look, I haven't been reading. Declining this offer won't affect your acceptance rate, but accepting it will raise it. Oh. That's why they keep sending it back. So basically, okay, so I see what's going on. So basically, they are able to send you the same order back to back over and over, and they won't negatively impact your acceptance rate, but you will see that motherfucker over and over and over. Wow. I'm not taking that shit. I don't give a fuck how many times they send it. But now I know it's not a glitch. At least I know it's not a glitch now. That makes sense.